Hello friends, back to my channel KT Digital. In this video today, I'll be telling you the amazing topic which is a P2P trading. How you can do this P2P trading by using Binance, which is a trusted and the top rated app for the trading. Where you can trade a Bitcoin, you can trade USDT, or you can trade any cryptocurrency through Binance. So the trending topic on P2P and the P2P traders are earning much. So I have come up with a new video, so please watch this video till end. I'll be telling you how you can deposit in your local currency in P2P trading or in Binance, how you can buy through easypaisa, through Jazzcash. So I'll be telling you all of the detail in this today's video. So first of all, open your Binance account and click on the trade option and click on the P2P option. So that will be exploring to today. So you can see that there are the two options in P2P, buy and sell, and there are the bank transfer options, payment options, or so you can see that important notice. So click to confirm this. So you can see that there are the buy USDT or the options where selecting the USDT. So you can see that they all are for the bank transfer. But today videos we have discussed that we can transfer money through easypaisa to buy USDT or to buy any coin in the Bitcoin. So I'll be telling you how you can do this. Open this P2P surface and you'll be seeing that there is a all region or all payments option. First of all, click on the all payment option. You will see that bank transfer, iPay and the WeChat. So click on the bank transfers. So after clicking on the bank transfer, you'll be seeing all of the sellers they are available there. You can see that they have shown us all of the seller data trading through bank transfers only. So now click onto the R region. In which region you are living, first of all select this. So right there Pakistan. So you can see that it's not working in R region. So click this R regions as well. So in the price competition rate trader. So lowest to highest, select this one, and in filters only show merchant ads and only show yield ads. So click on this only show merchant ads and now apply this. You can see that after applying filter you will see this all of this available, and one of the most important trick to buy or to avoid risk, you can select the verified seller on Binance. So how to do this verified seller? So you can see that the verified merchant. So it's also showing in the Binance verified seller have this yellow tick option, and this yellow tick requires lot of documentation and this can be easy or this can be scammed. So buying from this is an easy way. So I was applying this there are traders. So now you can see that they have option of Alipay bank transfer or the WeChat by USDT. They have the option there. The limit is so you can see that they have the limit of at least 200 yens, and so you can see that you can transfer this bank fee traders and all region bank transfers. So you can see that all payments, click to the all payments option. You can see that WeChat, Alipay, and this way you can check any of the payments you have applied. So only show merchant ad, only show traders ad, and all region and CNY is the so select this from PTR if it's available there. So you can see that luckily PTR is available there, and now you can change this currency today that I was telling this. So you can see that now they are selling easy paisa, PK only, Sada Pay, Naya Pay, bank transfer and RAS. So this was the today video's main topic that I was telling you how you can deposit through easy paisa and Sada Pay, Naya Pay or any of your Pakistani local account in Binance. So this was the main topic in P2P trading that many of the video detailers have not shown this properly. So I have shown this way you can do this way and you can buy, and I have also tell you buy from verified sellers only, so you can see that they have price ST traders have price of starting from 313 PKR, and there are the many traders are 298 PKR, and the limit is easypaisa PK only, so you can see that easypaisa PK only. So now the issue is that they are starting from at least 15,000 to 10,000. So now what you can do, now apply another filter, only show merchant as traders and price. So now we have moved to the price, so you can see that 296 as traders and 50,000, 105, 2,000 bank transfers, and all of these you can apply just filters. It's work like filters. So now if we have only show merchants as prices and traders completion rates, we are seeing if the completion rates we are seeing that 299 limits available, and they have the limit of at least 50,000, and starting from 50,000, mostly they are starting from 50,000, so it's starting from 2100 only. So you can select this, there's a easy paisa PK payment, and it's starting from 4,000. So you can see that easypaisa PK payment and also starting from only 2500 and easypaisa PK payment. So this was the today's video. I hope you have found this video interesting. Although video goes long, but I have explained each topic step by step in detail, how you can apply filter well, how you can change your currency, how you can change your payments region or completion rates, how to select the best traders, and how to avoid risk while doing P2P trading. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.